Hello, my name is Tim Thafford, and I am a Partner Account Manager in the East Channels organization. I'm here today to take you through Cisco's collaboration story and how you as a partner can take advantage of these solutions with your customers. Let's get started. It's estimated that the market opportunity for collaboration solutions will be $38 billion by the year 2012. Now when you add virtualization solutions on top of that, things like UC on UCS, that number increases to $45 billion. Video, which is an $8 billion component of the collaboration solution, is growing at a 35% compound annual rate. And the exciting thing for you as partners is that when you add professional services and day 2 support on top of this, that opportunity increases to over $100 billion, and also means higher margins for you as a partner. What it also means is that because these collaboration solutions touch every aspect of your customer's network, you get to sell more consultative services and stay relevant to the ever-changing needs of your customer. It's important to note that Cisco's collaboration portfolio is not a cookie-cutter approach for every customer, but rather an adaptable architecture that changes based off of the different challenges of your customer. Now, some of these challenges include global competition, a changing workforce that needs to become more adaptable, a need to reduce cost or expenses, and finally, rapidly changing technology. What Cisco Collaboration Solutions try to do is minimize these challenges by providing business agility, greater customer intimacy, improved employee productivity, and the ability to avoid or reduce these expenses. The collaboration marketplace is continually evolving, and the speed of innovation is increasing at an exponential rate. And while this creates new business challenges for your customers, it also creates new opportunities for you as a partner account manager to become a trusted advisor. Those partners who are able to get outside of IT and align themselves with their customers' business needs will position themselves for long-term relationships and repeat business. And by partnering with Cisco, you can ensure your customers are working with the clear leader in collaboration that is positioned to lead market transitions for years to come. Cisco's strategy of the network as a platform ensures investment protection for your customers, as well as the ability to incorporate new collaboration technologies as needed. And to ensure we continue to lead the marketplace, Cisco currently invests over $1 billion into collaboration R&D every year. Cisco is uniquely positioned to meet the business needs their customers are facing today, and also those they may be facing in the future. While Cisco competitors are focused on delivering point products, Cisco is committed to delivering broad-based solutions that include voice and video, presence, enterprise instant messaging, conferencing, social networking, and a host of others. Cisco's collaboration portfolio is made up of 5 key solution categories, and they are social, mobile, virtual, video, and cloud. And underlying all of these, of course, Cisco's network as a platform. So we'll go through all of these in detail, and we'll start with video. So as we stated earlier, video is an $8 billion market opportunity that's growing at a 35% clip annually. In fact, within the coming months, video will comprise 90% of all of the traffic on the internet. And this is because video helps to enhance the experience we have when dealing with our coworkers, with our customers, with our friends, with our learning partners, and so on. Cisco, along with the acquisition of Tandberg, allows you to visually interact with others from your desktop, in a group setting, or even in the immersive video experience like Cisco's telepresence. And outside of the live video experience, Cisco also allows you to capture content and share with others by utilizing products like the flip camera, which we're recording the presentation on today, and share it in certain interactive portals like Show and Share, where you may be watching this video now. And while some of our competitors may have point products that can address a few of these items, nobody can compete with the full end-to-end story that Cisco has. Another medium changing the way we do business is social networking. Applications like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube that all start in the consumer space have made their way into the enterprise space as well. And as the next generation of employees enters the workforce, they'll demand tools like this to interact with not just their friends, but also with their coworkers and customers as well. Cisco applications like Quad, Enterprise Instant Messaging, and WebEx Connect are all good examples of social networking applications that have also helped to address the needs of the enterprise. Customers will rely on those partners that can successfully integrate legacy systems with these new social applications. This means more professional services engagements for you as a partner and higher margin deals. The next generation workforce is also demanding that they be able to communicate with anyone, anywhere, at any time over a variety of different mediums. The days of waiting to get to your office to return a phone call or reply to an email are over. Customers need to be able to react and respond quickly or risk losing market share to their competitors. Cisco helps address these needs by offering a variety of mobile clients and transport capabilities. Applications like WebEx and Communications Manager allow customers to interact and share media with each other from any location. And products like the Cisco CS Tablet, which allows customers to combine HD video, voice, and computing power all on a mobile device, helps customers bring the capabilities of their office out with them on the road. These are just a couple of examples of how Cisco is making the mobile workforce more productive. And lastly, your customers are looking for ways to adopt these new technologies in a streamlined fashion without having to rely on large capital expenditures. And because of this, they are increasingly looking at virtualization and cloud-based offerings as a solution. In the Cisco collaboration environment, applications like UC Call Manager can be virtualized by utilizing the Cisco Unified Computing System, or UCS. Cisco Collaboration supports the Virtual Desktop Experience, or VXI, by combining voice, video, and other applications into one virtual desktop environment. This eliminates the need for costly capital outlays and frees up capital that could be used elsewhere in your business. From a cloud perspective, Cisco allows your customers to take advantage of our unified communications as a hosted service or as a standalone solution. This hosted communications model, as well as other infrastructure as a service offerings, gives your customers the flexibility of choosing a consumption model that's the right fit for them. And as we said before, all of these product categories have the Cisco-powered network as a platform for future growth. So what do you need to do as a partner to take advantage of this $100 billion collaboration opportunity? Well, first, you need to make sure that you have positioned yourself at the right level of your customer's organization. Success in this collaboration space comes from understanding your customer's business and where there are opportunities and challenges. It's important to step out of IT and have discussions with the individuals responsible for meeting the business objectives of your customer. And as you go through your discovery process, understand what initiatives relate to the business objectives and what are the measurables that relate to those specific initiatives. Understanding these goals will help you marry the right collaboration solution to your customer's needs. So here's some questions that can help you get there. How does your company manage employees across distance? How does your company currently attract new talent? How does your company react to the changing needs of its customers? Are you looking to cut costs or expenses in any area of your organization? Issues that your customer may have with any of these questions can indicate an opportunity for follow-up. If your customer is having issues with, say, managing employees over distance, you may want to ask them, okay, well, what applications are remote employees accessing? Or how's your extended team members currently collaborating with one another? The answers to these questions can help you uncover specific opportunities where collaboration technologies might be a fit for your customer. It'll also put you in position to meet business objectives of your customer and become their trusted advisor. So we've talked a lot about how collaboration solutions can help benefit your customers, but how I'd like to wrap up today is how collaboration solutions can help benefit you as the partner. So we talked about collaboration being mission critical and touching every aspect of your customer's network. Because of this, it allows you as the partner to sell more professional services inside of this account and thus at a higher margin. In addition, you're selling a broader solution set. You're selling different solutions in social networking, in video, in virtualization, in mobility, and not just point products. And because of this, it will increase your average deal size. In addition, Because you've gotten outside of IT and formed strategic relationships with different business units inside of an organization, you can get into opportunities earlier in the sales process. This will lead to more OIPs, VIPs, and SIPs inside the account. Also, because these deals don't exist in a vacuum, you'll receive pull-through opportunities. So in addition to collaboration, you'll also be seeing opportunities in borderless networks and in data center virtualization as well. And lastly, and most importantly for you as a partner, you differentiate yourself from other partners that might be out there selling. And you form a closer relationship with your customers and Cisco as a whole. I appreciate your time today, and good selling.